Hey guys, today I'll show you how to open a Miele washing machine the easy way, the right way, in less than 5 minutes. First of all, don't try this at home. Do it at your own risk. I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing, so please be careful. First of all, we unplug the machine, so we don't get shocked. The tools we need are only 4. So we need Torx 20 screwdriver, we need a Torx 30 screwdriver, we need a flathead screwdriver and a Miele opening tool. But I also show you where you can get opening tool, because normally all the Miele washing machines from the Softtronic series and Novatronic series have this kind of opening tool. And yeah, now I show you how to open it. Remove the soap drawer, and here you have your opening tool. Remove it, put the soap drawer back in, and let's get started. First of all, we remove the plastic down at the machine with the opening tool. Get in here, pull it out. Here we go. Then we take the flathead screwdriver or needle nose pliers, but I like to do it with a flathead screwdriver. And down here is a spring. Get to the spring and pry it out. Here you have your spring. Then pull the door seal away and push it inside the machine. Next thing we're going to do is remove the screws down at the machine. There are 2 at the left and 2 at the right. We only need to remove the outer screws. Those are Torx 20 screws. We remove those. And then we remove the 2 screws from the door lock. The door lock will not fall down in the machine because there's a plastic thing what holds the door lock in place. Remove those screws, and then we have 1 screw left. Now we need to hold the front with our knees, and then we remove the Torx 30 screw right here. Just like that. And then pull the front to you and push it down, and here you have the front away. Put the front on a safe place so it will not fall down. And here's the plastic thing what holds the door lock in place. And yeah, now I show you how to remove the plexiglas. Here we need the Miele opening tool for removing the fascia. Pull the knob away, so now you can see it better. Pull it down, get in here and push it down and pull it out. It's really easy. Now you have it removed. To put it back in again, pull it, push it in the slot. Be careful with the knobs here. Get in the middle, pry it down, push it in, and here you go. Same goes for the soap drawer. You can also pull that down, get in the little slot here, push it out, and here you can see a little slot in the middle. Here you can go with the opening tool, and you can remove it. To push it back in again, pull it, push it in the little slots, pry it down, and it's in again. If you have a washing machine with a knob like that. You don't need to remove this knob. This knob removes with the plexiglas. I'll show you how. This is a Miele Home Care XL washing machine, and here it's also quite easy. Here you can push it down. I pull it down on the knob, get in the slot, and here you have it. You can see this mechanism. It aligns with this little slot here. Put it back together, get in at the middle, push it in, and here you go again. It's really easy to fix these machines if you know how. So yeah, that's it. Now we put the front back together. It's also quite easy. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, get the front. Then you have here this plastic thing here. It's the emergency opening for the door, and this needs to go in this little slot here. To put it in the slot, you need to hold the front up a little bit, push it in the hole. I open it up so you can see it maybe. Push it inside. Here you have your plastic thing, and then you have two plastic things. I'll show it first of all. You have two plastic things here. What needs to go inside the front? This one and this one. Yeah, and we need to put the front in this little slots. Get the plastic here, put it in, hold the front up, otherwise the plastic will go out of its place. Then align with the holes, get your knee underneath, push the front up, get your Torx 30 screwdriver, sometimes it's 10mm socket by the older models. Put the screw in half the way. Here you have your plastic, so close it. Then you take your Torx 20 screwdriver again and the screws without the plastic here. And now you can wiggle around the front so you can align the holes. Put the screws back in. And then it's on there. Good. Then be careful because of this metal here that you don't have the door sill in its way. Push it up and tighten the screw here. Now we need the screws with the little plastic here for the door lock. And yeah, now we screw the door lock in place. Next step is the door seal. Pull it out. I start at the upper end because there is a hose for the soap drawer. Then push it on the front. And then you only need a metal ring here. The spring needs to be down. On some models the spring is at the hinge. Put it on here, work your way around, hold it with your knee, and it's on there tight. Check that the door seal sits correctly, and then door closes again. Get the plastic fascia here. You have here those little clips, they need to align with the holes. And let's plug in the machine again. Everything works just fine. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and yeah, be careful. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will answer them. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.